So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to access Hostinger VPS. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your H panel. So just log into your Hostinger account and click on my account. From there you're going to see on the left side home, website, domain, then horizons, emails, VPS, dark web monitoring, billing, marketplace, as well as account sharing. So through here click on VPS. Once you've clicked on that, you can see build applications, host websites, or play games with VPS. So you can choose KVM for building applications with dedicated resources or game panel for hosting your favorite games. So through here, you can first see all the frequently asked questions about VPS on Hostinger. So you can use it to build your application or website, or you can host it for your favorite games. So once you click or read about on here to create your virtual private server, you can choose one of these. So let's click on get now and we'll see what that entails. So you can see select server location, choose a server location close to you or your audience for optimal performance. So through here you just need to select your operating system which is going to be used for this. So let's just use the first one that's here. So you can see the version, you can select it from here. After that, click on next. And you can see you can create your root password. Then you can add a key if you want. And then you can see additional features and just basically go through all of this to get to your own VPS. And after that, it's going to create your virtual private server on which you can use it for many things that you want. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Hostinger or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.